Hi everyone, we are working on question 3 of your quiz review. We need to find the radius, height, lateral area, and surface area for the following figure. We're going to round our answers to the nearest tenth if needed, and when appropriate, we're going to leave our answer in terms of pi. Remember, that means that pi is going to be in our answers and it's already written for us. So you do not have to multiply anything by pi. You do not have to type pi into your answer. You really shouldn't end up using pi kind of at all. All right, the first thing we're going to do is find our radius. Remember, your radius is the distance from the outside of your circle to the middle. So it's going to be this value here. 8 is going to be r. And then we need our height. Oh, before we do that, let's put 8 in the first blank, which would make it right there too. All right, then you need your height. Remember, your height is the distance between your two circles. In our case, it's going to be 7, so we'd put 7 in the second blank and 7 here. From there, we have to find our lateral area. Remember, your lateral area, for a prism, it was perimeter times height. We're using the same formula for that here, but remember, we have to use our circumference formula, so we're going to do 2 pi r times h. So that formula will work for all cylinders. I'm going to plug in my values to it, so we're going to do 2 pi times our radius, which is 8, times the height, which is 7. And then to get my final answer, we're going to end up doing 2 times 8 times 7 pi. And 2 times 8 times 7 gives me 112 pi. Again, that's going to be my final answer. We're talking about area, so my units, yards, are going to be squared. Again, when I write that down, or when I type it in, we need everything before pi, so 112. So I would put 112 here, and 112 would pop up there. All right, the next thing we need to do is find our lateral or surface area. Remember, your surface area is your lateral area plus 2 times the area of your base. We already found our lateral area, but remember your formula for base is pi r squared. So that is what we're going to plug our information into. I'm going to move it over here just so I have some room. My lateral area is 112 pi. So we have 112 pi plus 2 pi times 8 squared. Now if I square 8, I get 64. And then we have to multiply 64 by 2, and we get 128. So I have 112 pi plus 128 pi. And then when I add that together, 112 plus 128, I get 240 pi. I forgot a 0. As my answer, again, my units would be feet or yards squared. So this guy here is our answer. Again, we only care about the number before pi right now when we submit it. So if I type that in, my fourth blank, we would have 240, and that would pop up there. All right, that is your third problem. Good luck on your quiz, and thank you for watching.